Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to a new episode of Buffed and Stuffed. For today, we're not doing an eating contest because those are done. Well, there's actually one more eating contest and that will be in the end of the year and that will be for the most fry eating world record. But we're going back to food challenges. So today I'm going to do a food challenge that went completely viral on TikTok, especially here in Belgium and the Netherlands. We're going to Cafetaria Winssen in the Netherlands, and they have like these 3 challenges or 4 challenges named the tank, the bareboat, the rocket, and there's also some kind of ship. I think it's called Kraken ship, I think. But we're gonna try to do 2 challenges in one. So I'm gonna try today to do the tank, and the bareboat. There's no time limit. It's a pay to play. If you don't finish the meal, you have to pay €5 extra. If you finish the meal, you don't have to pay that €5. And you don't get a t-shirt or anything like that, and there's no time limit. But I'm gonna try to give myself an hour to do these 2, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it because this is a really popular challenge that became really popular online. So there are a lot of people already tried it. So I'm gonna give it a try today. So it's a 1.5-hour drive. So I'm gonna leave now here and I'm gonna eat a bareboat and a tank. today I'm here at Cafetaria Winssen to eat their tank and their bareboat. Somebody had eaten the bareboat in 6 minutes and 30 seconds, so I'm going to try to break that. Nobody has ever done the 2 challenges in one time, so hopefully I can get them down in one time. If you don't succeed to eat one of the challenges, or if you don't complete the challenge, you have to pay some kind of fine from €5. Okay, so hopefully I can get it. There have been a lot of people who succeeded with one of these 2, but nobody ever has done it with both in one challenge. So I got my camera on right now for YouTube, so hopefully we can get it down. So I think I'm ready to go. I don't think I have anything more to say, so yeah, I think let's try this. I'm gonna move the tank aside. I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm gonna start with the boat. And I'm gonna use some utensils. So yeah, let's see if we can do this. I got a little timer here with me, so I could. There's no time limit. I'm just gonna time it for myself, but I hope to do it in less than 1 hour. So we'll see what happens. So this is still pretty hot. I don't know. 6 minutes and 30 seconds is pretty quick, but I'm not gonna burn my mouth for it. It's not worth it. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get stuffed. Hey you guys, what is up, and welcome back to a new episode of Buffed and Stuffed, and thank you for watching. So we're here today at Cafetaria Winssen in the Netherlands to take on their bareboat challenge and their tank challenge. Now there have been a few people who have either succeeded in the bareboat challenge or in the tank challenge, but there hasn't been anybody stupid enough to try to do both challenges at the same time. So I'm here to try to do that. Of course, who else is that stupid to do that? Hopefully I will get them both down. So it's a pay to play, which means that if you complete your meal, you will not get your meal for free. You have to pay €11. Also, for each meal that you don't complete, you have to pay a little fine of €5. Now you guys, I did not speed up my video here in the first part because I want to show you guys the pace that I'm eating at. Because when I got there, the owner told me that somebody set a record time for the bareboat, which is the challenge I started with. Somebody had set a time of 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And he asked me, so he gave me a little extra challenge, and he asked me if I could try to beat that time. So hopefully I can beat that time of 6 minutes and 30 seconds. But normally that wouldn't be a problem, but we'll see what happens. So okay, you guys, so feel free to fast forward if you want to. I just want to show you guys my pace that I'm eating at. Oké.
Hartstikke goed. Groot applaus voor mij.
Tijd. 5 minuten en 5 seconden.
Oké. Nou, ik keur hem bij 4 minuten 44 af.
Okay. So I did break that one record here from 6 minutes and 30 seconds. I did it in 5 minutes and 5 seconds, but the owner says he will count it in hoeveel minuten was it?
4 minuten 44.
In 4 minutes and 44 seconds, but I wanted to like to play it out. I mean, there was still a lot of sauce on it, and it's very delicious. So yeah, doesn't matter. Like I said, there's no time limit, but I broke the record for the bear boat. So this was the first plate. Now let's see, and we're gonna enjoy this one a little bit more because this was more speed eating, and now we're gonna enjoy the food a little bit more. So. So I'm gonna take my hat off because I'm sweating because it was so hot. You guys saw me opening my mouth. I was eating with my mouth open. So let's take the second one. Now, like I said, this is gonna be a little bit slower. I just wanted to break that record from 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So we're gonna eat a little bit slower, but this one I'm gonna enjoy this more. So as you guys can see, there's still a lot of steam coming off, so it's still pretty hot. So yeah, excuse me, little burp. So yeah, hopefully I can get this one down. Still feeling pretty good. Still no problem here. So yeah.
Alright, challenge number 1 is done, the bear boat is in, and now we're starting off with the tank.
So Beaufort is covered in peanut sauce and it's really, really delicious. So I mean, I love everything with peanut on it. I mean, peanut butter, peanut sauce, it doesn't matter for me. Everything with peanuts is good.
All my peanut butter lovers, comment down below if you love everything that has a peanut flavor.
As you guys can see, I'm just slowing down. It's not because I'm getting full. It's just I want to enjoy this food more. I mean, I did a 1 hour and a half drive, so I want to eat a little bit and get a little bit of the taste of the food in. So. Still a little bit sick. I still got a little bit of a cold, so sorry if I sneeze my nose sometimes in between. So you guys, if you're watching the channel right now, I got a new camera set up, so if the videos are a little bit different than before, that's the reason. I'm trying out new stuff with going live on TikTok and having a new camera, so this is all new for me. Sorry if I upload the video and the video looks a little bit different. So and I'm getting a little bit flavor fatigue of the mayonnaise dat erop zit?
Ja.
Of the mayonnaise and the peanut sauce. I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise. I eat it, but I'm not a big fan. So I got a little bit I got a little bit of flavor fatigue. But I'm gonna get it down. But like I said, not as quick. That's the first one. I'm sweating like a pig. Oh. I'm gonna take my sweater off.
So the meat that I'm eating here right now is called a Mexicano, and it has a little bit of spice in it. and the spice was making me feel uncomfortable.
So you see, you guys, a spicy challenge, that's not for me. And you see how much this is slowing me down. I'm sweating so hard right now. My back is covered in sweat right now. Ugh. I got so hot right now. And this is not that spicy, so I think I'm gonna train from now on with spicy food, just to get used to spicy food again. Oh, it's gonna take me a while to do a spicy challenge.
Well, for you guys, it would be a lot of fun seeing me suffer eating spicy food. But anyhow, you guys, I'm gonna leave it for here, and I'll see you guys for the next episode.
Yeah, the spicy stuff is keeping my nose runny. Like I said, I was already sick this week, so I got a cold. Now with spicy food, my nose keeps running. So sorry if that's disgusting, you guys, that I'm sniffing in these napkins, but I mean, I cannot breathe through my nose, so. So for my viewers on TikTok, for myself and for YouTube, so this is the mental barrier that I got to push through now. Like I said, I don't really like mayonnaise, but this is a mental barrier that I got to get through now. Just swallow it down, and then we're almost finished. So it's not a lot anymore, but yeah, like I said, it's just mentally. So here we go. At the moment, you guys, this is even as worse at eating raw tomatoes. I mean, you guys know that I really don't like tomatoes, especially raw tomatoes. But that much sauce is like eating raw tomatoes for me here now. No, just bite down. A little bit of onions here. It's over. Ah.
En wat je nu ziet, is de laatste hand aan de tank. Dus een berenboot en een tank heeft Michael op. Zeker op het YouTube kanaal van Buffedandstuffed kijken.
Ah, goed?
Ja, hartstikke
Oh, dankjewel.
Dat is Buffedandstuffed.
Okay, you guys, so I made both challenges, so I did 2 in 1. So I'm pretty happy. It was hard at the end with the mayonnaise all covered over the fries, but hey, that's the thing. That's my thing that I have a problem with. So I like sauce on my fries, but not that much. But it's just a part of me that it's just a problem from me. Yeah. So anyhow, I made it, so I don't have to pay €5 fine for both of them. If I did not succeed to eat both of them, I had to pay €10. I broke the record for the bare boat for 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and yeah, I ate also the tank in 1 challenge. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was a tough one, like I said, mentally with the mayonnaise. So yeah, you guys, I want to say a huge thank you to Michelle and his whole staff at Cafetaria Winssen here for having me here today, for providing me with the good food. So a big shout out to them. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys were on the live video, also thank you for watching. Yeah, make sure that you follow me on my social media. Make sure that you follow me on my Facebook, my TikTok, and my Instagram. Make sure that you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. So, okay, you guys. So, this is it for this episode. Buffed and Stuffed is full.